We are the middle school team 11239B from Our Lady of Fatima in Seattle, Washington. We investigated what would make a good STEM project that includes math and could make a positive impact on our community. Since it rains almost 9 months a year in Seattle, middle school kids do not have a lot to do in their free time. We decided to investigate what it would take to build an arcade in our neighborhood. And my name is Colin.
My name's Basil.
My name's Ethan.
My name's Logan.
And my name is Matthew. This is our project.
Our challenge topic is this. Is it possible to build an arcade in our neighborhood that can turn a profit or break even within 5 years? Our solution is to use the math concepts of money, percents, estimations, averages, measurements, decimals, time, and all 4 basic math symbols to design and calculate the cost of opening and running an arcade.
We interviewed Miss Ova, our math teacher, who advised us on how to create our research plan. First thing we did is we visited an arcade to look at how it is set up and how the space is used. Then we determined a location where we would be building it. After that, we determined what the space dimensions would be by using the area formula. Then we determined the build-out cost. After that, we determined the upfront cost. We would have to determine the amount of machines we would use and the dimensions of them. We'd have to determine the monthly operating cost and calculate the profit and loss per month.
To figure out the upfront costs, we had to calculate how many pinball, arcade, and air hockey tables we needed to buy based on the layout and dimensions of the building and each machine. Then we looked up the cost to start a new business in the state of Washington. Finally, we determined how much it would cost for the tables, chairs, and coin machines. Once we had all of these upfront costs, we took the totals for each of them and added them up to calculate final total expenditures for our new arcade.
We researched the average pinball, arcade, air hockey tables, and ADA bathroom dimensions on the internet, and used the dimensions to calculate the square footage for each one so that we could determine the total amount of machines we could fit in our space.
We have 70 machines in our arcade. We calculated this number by finding out the dimensions of our arcade and the dimensions of our machines. First, we measured how long the walls were. These were different for each wall. Then we calculated the size of our arcade machine, pinball machines, and air hockey tables. The wall length for both pinball machines is 42 feet. Each pinball machine is 29 inches wide, and there is a 4-inch gap. The 42-foot wall is equivalent to 504 inches, and the width is 33 inches for the machines and the gap. 504 divided by 33 equals 15.27. This means that we have 15 pinball machines since there are machines we round down. Next is the arcade machines. They are split into 2 groups for the walls. There will be 19 arcade machines on one wall and 18 on the other wall. Finally, we will have 2 air hockey tables.
We interviewed local business owner Joe Savage to find out about his total monthly costs for a similarly sized business. Using the information he provided, we calculated that our monthly costs are $3,060.16 for electricity, $67.60 for the water bill, $2,000 for rent, $5,000 for salary, $208.33 for general liability and property insurance, and $378.84 in property taxes. Altogether, that is $11,274.93.
To determine the monthly revenue, we looked at the schools in the area and found out how many middle and high school kids there were. We assumed 10% of the population would visit our arcade and then spend $10 per day each. Based on this data, we calculated the monthly revenue to be about $23,700.
To determine the profit, we took our monthly profit and multiplied it by 12 to figure out how much we would make a year. Then we took that profit and divided it by the upfront cost of our arcade to figure out how long it would take to start making money. It will take about 37 months to pay it off.
After all of our research and calculations, we concluded that we can pay off our upfront costs and break even in 37 months.
Thanks for considering our video.